là-bas. Les vents là, ils sont fous. Ouais, là, ils sont tombés, bien sûr, là, ils sont tombés. Bien sûr, là,
The storm named Gerard was caused at least 4 deaths and injured several others. President Emmanuel Macron has declared a state of emergency in affected areas with over 20,000 homes without electricity. France has been hit by a severe storm with a gust wind of reaching 114 km/h, causing widespread damage and power outage across the country. Interior Minister Gerard Damian was deployed thousands of emergency response, including police and fire service, to assist with the relief efforts. The storm was causing transportation disruption and train service suspended in several regions and over 200 flights cancelled at Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. The government was urged citizens to exercise caution to stay indoors, with the Prime Minister Jean Castex calling to solidarity and care in the face of the crisis. The storm is expected to continue to move eastward, with the meteorologist warning of continued heavy rain and strong winds. Hurricane Gerard, which left 93,000 homes without power and damaged roads, rolled ferry roads from high winds and damaged trees. Meteo France has declared an orange alert level. The department is currently being hit by the first storm. Meteo France has warned to increase wind and heavy rainfall in the southwest, as well as associational snowfall over the massive central as wind crosses the country from the southwest to the northeast.